Are you looking for the best car polish in 2023 Top 7 Car Polish Review Buying Guide? In this video, we will look at some of the best car polish in 2023 Top 7 Car Polish Review Buying Guide on the market. For more details and price click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Megara's Ultimate Polish. This pre-wax glaze works to repair your paint and breathe new life into it. It will give your dull paint a high gloss finish that looks wet. If you have a dark colored vehicle, you'll especially benefit from the repairing effects of this glaze. With careful application, it will permanently remove defects. This glaze can also deepen the color of your paint with polishing oils. Unfortunately, this glaze doesn't smell good. This can make it unpleasant to use, so be sure to apply it in a well-ventilated area. You may also need to apply more than one coat to get the deep mirror-like shine that Megara's promises. Number 2. New Finish Liquid Car Polish. A number 1 rated car polish for its durability, protection, shine improvement, and value. This car polish might just be what you need in a pinch. This one requires no heavy rubbing or buffing. Unlike other options, this can also be applied in direct sunlight, without adverse effects such as splotching, and goes on smoothly in any temperature. The polish is a true multitasker. The formulation is good enough to protect fiberglass boats, airplanes, motorcycles, and a number of household items that have painted metal bodies. It's also one of the few car polishes that contains no wax, allowing you to give your vehicle a true polish coat. The finish layer is durable, making it so you can get away with polishing your car once a year. When not worked in properly, the polish tends to leave small spots along the surface. These spots are particularly noticeable on white finishes. If you apply the polish in a garage, you may also start to notice an unpleasant odor as you work. Otherwise, it has many great properties that work well with most cars. Number 3. Turtle Wax Color Magic Jet Black Wax. This car polish is from a highly regarded brand and is formulated with a rich blend of polishes and dyes that work to deepen the dark color of your vehicle. It uses black tinted technology to keep black vehicles looking their best. It rejuvenates the faded finish by removing oxidation from the paint, and when fully cured, leaves a long-lasting lustrous finish. When it dries, it will have a hazy finish, but you can gently buff it with a microfiber cloth to get the mirror shine. It also contains pigments that seal light scratches and swirl marks. The polish is safe to use on all vehicles. Unfortunately, adding an extra layer of the polish won't make it any shinier. It's also hard to rub off. In addition, it won't mask deeper scratches or marks and may make them stand out once it's fully cured. Number 4. Chemical Guys All-in-One Polish. Chemical Guys All-in-One product combines polish and sealant to give your vehicle a mirror shine and protect your paintwork. It's a water-based formula with synthetic sealant technology that offers long-lasting protection from UV rays, insect stains, bird droppings, and any other harsh environment it's exposed to. It can be used to mask light imperfections such as swirl marks, chips, and scratches to leave a glossy, scratch-free finish. The sealant locks in the formulation and can last up to 6 months, even with frequent washing. It's designed to work on all colors including clear coat paints, and the formula is body shop safe and OEM approved. However, it doesn't work well on cars with heavy scratches and swirls. It's also thick, which makes it a bit challenging to load it on a sponge. It makes the surface sticky, and application can be messy. Moreover, it has no hydrophobic properties, meaning that water doesn't beat up and roll off the surface. Number 5. HD High Definition Speed All-in-One Polish. Similar to the last few products, this is another great all-in-one combo that is suitable for the average person's needs. HD Speed All-in-One, though a little pricier than similar brands/products, overall has positive reviews and seems worth the extra few dollars. Surprisingly, High Definition's car polish is made of all natural contents that are safe to use on all colors and surfaces. It's rare to find a product this effective that does not contain some kind of harsh or toxic chemicals. This product is designed to be applied and taken off as quickly and easily as possible. The Speed All-in-One formula is made to repair minor paint defects via corrections to the top coat. It can be used on vehicles with bad swirls to drastically reduce or eliminate these visual defects. Not only does it correct some defects, but it also contains a glaze and special car wax that intensifies color and creates a smooth shine. To top it all off, it also applies a sealant to protect your vehicle's paint from UV rays and oxidation. Number 6. Griot Garage Complete Polish. If you're looking for a simple but effective polish without the need to buy any fancy polishing equipment, Griot's Garage Complete Polish is a great option. This car polish uses advanced sub-micron abrasives to remove mild imperfections in your vehicle's finish. On top of its corrective properties, it is able to deliver paint refinement and depth of color while also enhancing the vehicle's gloss. It also creates a very smooth surface that's ready for wax or sealant of your choosing. Griot's Garage Complete Polish was made to be applied by hand versus a rotary polisher. Applying the polish manually ensures that you do not take off too much of the car's finish. To apply, simply squirt a little polish onto an applicator pad and apply to a 2-foot square section of the car. Make a pass and a half, wipe off the excess polish with a finishing towel, and you're done and ready to seal or wax. Number 7. Turtle Wax Color Magic Jet Black. Turtle Wax's Color Magic Jet Black polish is hands down the best easy applying polish available. While this polish certainly isn't for every car, anyone who drives a vehicle with a black finish should have a bottle of this in their garage. Jet Black was formulated to enhance all types of black automotive finishes, whether they are faded, neglected, or just plain old, while also filling in scratches, rock chips, or other defects. This is also a great polish to remove light swirl marks as well. This is one of the most affordable and effective polishes on the market and consists of a blend of advanced polishes, dyes, and pigments that will keep your ride looking slick. This product is also very easy to use. Simply add a small amount to a rag or sponge and apply it to the vehicle's exterior. Let the polish dry into a haze, then buff lightly.